Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Mill, or near Indian Land, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Indian Land, Alma Glen. For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Lancaster, South Carolina. The severe thunderstorm